guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to share with you guys the deals at CVS starting September 9th through the 15th. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So you guys voted last week when you want to see my CVS uploads, and you guys all voted Wednesday. I think there was one person that said Thursday, but you guys all voted for Wednesday. So that's going to be the new CVS upload, which is perfect because I've been doing Target on Sunday morning. So we're not going to be doing Target Tuesday anymore because I'm able to get to Target on Sunday mornings now, which is even better. So you guys can see my Target deals earlier. So on Tuesdays, I will be filming in CVS now so I can upload on Wednesdays. So I'm really excited about this new couponing schedule I have going on. And let's just go ahead and get into CVS. Okay, so first deal is going to be on Irish Spring Body Wash. So they are on a buy 3, get $5 back in extra care bucks. And they are priced for $3.99 each. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $11.97. We're getting $1 off 1 coupons coming in the 9.9 Smart Source. So you can buy 3 of them at $11.97. Use 3 of those $1 off 1 coupons, so you'll pay $8.97 and then get that $5 extra care buck, making them $3.97 for 3 or $1.32 each. So that's if you have no CRTs for body wash. So if you have a 2 off 6 CRT, you could stack it here, making them 65 cents. But you guys had asked me to do a scenario with the CRTs and without. So we have a newbie version and a non-newbie version. So you guys asked me to put that in there, so I'm going to try my best to do that. So you guys absolutely should be doing the Irish Spring deal because I think it's a really good deal, but I think you guys should pass on the soft soap. So soft soap is also on a buy 3, get $5 in extra care bucks, but there were no insert coupons. I didn't see it on the preview, so if I'm mistaken, let me know in the comments below, but as far as I'm seeing it, there are no insert coupons. So you buy 3, you get the $5 extra care buck, but there are no insert coupons. So even if you had a CRT for like 2 off 6 body wash, I still don't think it's a very good deal. So don't do the soft soap, do the Irish Spring this week and just wait for a better deal for soft soap to come around. I think you can print some on the soft soap website, I'm not sure. But I would pass on the soft soap unless you have a coupon. So I want to just go in this deal with CRTs. Okay, so CoverGirl Cosmetics, they are on a buy 2, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So you could do, you know, the scenario with the brow pencils, but I like to share with you guys things that I've actually tried and things that I actually love. So what you could do is pick up 2 of the Lash Blast CoverGirl mascaras. These guys are priced for $8.99. So buy 2 of them for $17.98. And then if you have those printable 3 off 1 coupons from coupons.com for the Lash Blast, use 2 of those coupons, you'll pay $11.98, and then you'll get back a $5 extra care bucks, so it's like you're paying $6.98 for 2 or $3.49 each, which is great. And then if you have any cosmetic CRTs, then definitely pair it up here. If you have any CRT specific for CoverGirl, pair it here. And I am going to tell you guys to use that, you know, email coupon. If you guys get an email coupon from CVS, then definitely use it here because you're going to save, you know, a little bit extra if you have that percentage off coupon. Now it deducts after extra care bucks, CRTs, manufacturer coupons, but even so, if you have a 30% off coupon, it's still going to shave off a little bit, and that's the goal as couponers, is we want to save as much as we can. So even if we're only saving like an additional, you know, 70 cents or $1, like you're still saving. And a lot of you guys ask me how to get those percentage off coupons. So it's not just you need to submit your email when you sign up for your extra care account. You need to physically call CVS and you need to ask the representative that you want to add your email onto your CVS account. You have to call them. I called them back when I was in Virginia. That was like when I first moved to Virginia 2 summers ago. That's what I did, and I have been getting email coupon consistently every single week for 2 years. You need to call CVS customer service and tell them you want to link your extra care card with your email. That's what you need to do, and I have been getting consistent emails for almost 2 years. So it's not just you sign up for the extra care account and then you put your email in. No, you need to call them and you need to physically tell them what I'm telling you. So that's what I've done, and I haven't done anything to my account, and I'm still getting those email coupons. So try it out and let me know if it works for you guys too. Okay, so this week Physicians Formula is on another spend 10 get 7. So what I would suggest you guys doing this week, pick up these cucumber depuffer sticks. I've been raving about these forever and I love them. So you pay $10.99 and then you get a $7 extra care box. So it makes it $3.99. So those are great gift fillers, you know, teacher gifts, all sorts of things. You could go mascara, but I would suggest you try the Refreshment Cucumber Depuffer Stick. I have the milk version, which is super expensive, and the Physicians Formula, and I don't tell a difference. And the trick with this guy is to put it in your fridge, and it is so refreshing when you put it on in the morning times, or maybe you're coming back out from the pool and you just want to, you know, freshen up your skin. I've got Nicole Burgess on this product and she absolutely loves it. So definitely pick it up and try it. Okay, so there is another promo running on Mitchum Deodorant, but this time around it's not going to be a good deal. So they're going to be on sale for $2.99 and we're going to get a $1 off 1 coupon that's coming in our insert. So it makes it $1.99, and that's not a great deal because first of all, it's not offering any extra care box. It's also, the $2.99 price is kind of high. So we've been known to get Mitchum deodorant for 99 cents or lower. So the current cycle going on right now, you can get them for like 93 cents. So definitely hold on to those Mitchum coupons and wait for a better deal to roll around, because as you can see, they currently have them buy one, get one 50% off in this current sale cycle, and you get $5 in extra care box when you buy 3. So definitely hold on to that Mitchum coupon unless you absolutely have to have it. Okay, so a deal you should be doing in the deodorant section is on the Speed Sticks. So these guys are priced for 2 for $6, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2, and there's an app-only coupon for 3 off 2. So when you factor in the coupon and extra care buck, these are going to be 2 for $1 or 50 cents each. So definitely a great time to stock up on some deodorant. It could potentially be free if you have a CRT for deodorant, but you guys, I use men's deodorant because it works a heck of a lot better than women's deodorant. So if you're not picky with deodorant, try the men's deodorant, because your girl doesn't stink when she wears men's deodorant, but I stink when I wear women's deodorant. Like, how does that work? Okay, you guys, so there is a promo running on Garnier. So this is on Garnier Whole Blends or the regular Garnier. So they are on a buy 2, get $2 back in extra care bucks. So the Garnier Whole Blends, these are priced for $3.99 each, and we're getting 2 off 1 coupons coming in the 9.9 Red Plum. However, the limit is 1 coupon per day per household. So you can only do 1 coupon per day. So if you want, so I'm going to do 2 scenarios. So first scenario, go ahead and buy 2 of them for $7.98. Use that 2 off 1 coupon that's coming in the 9.9 Red Plum. So you'll pay $5.98 and then get that $2 extra care back. So final cost is $3.98 for both of them, or $1.99 each. So if you want to just come to CVS once, you can go ahead and do this, and these will come out to $1.99. But if you want to break up your transactions over 2 days, you could go into CVS one day, buy 1, use the 2 off 1 coupons. You would go into CVS and pay $1.99 for 1 of them, and then you can come back the next day and buy another one, use your 2 off 1 coupon, $1.99. So final cost would be 99 cents each after your extra care box. So it just depends on if you want to come to CVS twice, but you know, we need to be following the coupon limits now, so they are changing. So, you know, but I still think that $1.99 for the Garnier Whole Blends is great, especially, okay, I love the Garnier Whole Blends, especially this Oat Delicacy shampoo. I use it on myself, I use it on my kids, so I would pay $1.99 for this. So it just depends on what you're willing to pay for particular items. But this next Garnier deal that I'm going to share with you guys that is in this promotion as well is the regular Garnier Fructis. So the regular Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7, and there's a 3 off 2 coupon coming in the 9.9 Red Plum. So after the coupon, they are 2 for $4, and then you get the $2 extra care buck, making them $1 each. So I would not pay $1 for the regular Garnier line, but I would pay $1.99 for the Garnier Whole Blends. So it just depends on your preference of what you would like to pay per product. So that's when it just comes to personal preference at this point. So a few Garnier deals if you want to take advantage of them. Okay, so I have another deal for you guys with L'Oreal. So I'm going to share with you a deal, 2 deals. So first, the L'Oreal Elvive, these are priced 2 for $8. And when you spend $15 or more, you're gonna get a $5 extra care buck. So at this scenario, you would need to buy 4 of them for $16. Now we have 3 of 2 coupons coming in the red plum. So you can use 2 of those, but you would have to come to CVS twice over the course of 2 days, because the limit states limit of 1 per household. So you would use the coupon one day and then come back the next day to use the other one. So in total, you could take $6 off over the course of 2 days. So you'd pay $10 and then you get a $5 extra care buck. So it makes them 4 for $5 or $1.25 each. Regular price is $5.29. You know, decent deal if you like this shampoo, but for me, I would pass on it because I don't want to come to CVS twice over 24 hours. I don't want to do that. But I think that there's another deal that you could do is the L'Oreal Everpure. So these guys are priced 2 for $15, and we have 3 off 2 coupons from the 826 Red Plum, and I think we're getting another one coming in the Red Plum 99. So what you would do is pay $12, get a $5 extra care buck back. So final cost is 2 for $7 or $3.50 each, and this is great because the starting price is $7.99. And if you have like color treated hair, this is the shampoo you want to be using because it is sulfate free, so it's going to be better for your hair if you color treat your hair, especially if you're going with the boxed dyes. Sometimes with the boxed dyes, especially if you're going like a blonde shade, you need to be really careful with the blonde because sometimes it could kind of come out to where your hair is kind of looking like a highlighter, and you do not want that. So you want to make sure that you know, your hair is toned nicely. So I find that the purple shampoos, if you're doing color treated hair, whether if it's at a salon or from the box dyes, definitely pick up this purple shampoo because it's going to help the color of your blonde. Blondes need to be really careful when they put color on their hair. And sulfate-free shampoo is great for you also. So Brittany Tolberg, if you're watching this, please let me know if I explained this correctly, because Brittany Tolberg is the hairdresser of YouTube. So Brittany, did I explain that correctly? So I think that $3.50 for the Everpure is a great price because, like I said, regular price is $7.99. And if you guys are dyeing your hair at home, you want to go with a sulfate-free shampoo because it's going to preserve the color of your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little lesson on color treated hair. Okay, so we have a great deal on the Crest Scope mouthwash. So these are these are the 1 liters. So they are on sale for $3.99, and you're gonna get a $3 extra care buck back when you buy 1, and we have a $1 off 1 app only coupon you could send to your CVS card. So that's gonna make this guy free after extra care buck, which is awesome. And if you guys don't know how to use the CVS app, I have a video explaining it below. So definitely, if there's one thing you want to do this week, definitely snag the Crest because it's going to be free after extra care buck and coupon. Regular price is $5.49. So when you can get this stuff for free, you guys, you know, you need to be grabbing this stuff to add to your stockpiles. So this is a fantastic deal. And if you have that insert coupon from the P&G, it does expire Saturday. So if you want to come and do this, you know, you'd have to come on Saturday, but don't rush out to come to CVS on Saturday if you don't have to, because you can use your app coupon. Okay, so we have a nice little deal on Tom's products here at CVS. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and spend 30, get 10. So if you're a fan of the Tom's products, you can do the oral care, the deodorants, the body wash. There's so many from the Tom's line. So if that's the brand that you choose, definitely take advantage of this, because if it's buy one, get one half off, and you're gonna get extra care bucks, just stock up and then get some extra care bucks back. So not a bad deal. Alrighty guys, so easy toothpaste deal. So we've seen this deal so many times. So Colgate is $3.50, and we're getting a $1 off 1 coupon coming in the Smart Source, and you're gonna get a $2.50 instant coupon. So that makes this guy just free. So there's no extra care bucks making it free, it's just free. So yeah, definitely head to CVS to get your free toothpaste. So go and get your Crest for free, and then get your toothpaste for free, and then, you know, you are set. Okay, so we have a great spend 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks on select products. The paper product deal is fantastic. So the 12 count of the Scott paper towels, these guys are on sale for $9.99. Regular price is $15.49. So right off the bat, you're getting a great sale price. Also included is the Cottonelle toilet paper, Oxy Clean, Laundry detergent, it's on sale for $3.99. We have the hefty trash bag, $6.99. Kleenex, 3 for $4. So you really could group together a nice scenario with household essentials. So my scenario is on paper towels because I don't know about you guys, but my house goes through paper towels like crazy. So buy 3 of them for $29.97. There is a 75-cent coupon you could send to your CVS app. And then there's also those printables, the 75-cent off printables on coupons.com. So you would pay $27.72, get a $10 extra care box. So final cost is $17.72 or $5.09 each, which is great because the regular price starting is $15.49. So this is an awesome deal. So you could also do the Oxy Clean. So let's just see. There's no one in this aisle, so we are just gonna frolic and be free in the aisle. Okay, so Oxy Clean is right here. So the Oxy Clean is on sale for $3.99, and we have 2 off 1 coupons from the 826 Smart Store. So that'll make this guy just $1.99. So if you just want to come in here and get some laundry detergent, $1.99. So not a bad deal. Okay, so there's also another deal going on with Cascade and Febreze. So they are priced $4.99, and when you spend 20, you get 5. I don't think it's a great deal on the Cascade because we only have a 50-cent off 1 coupon. You definitely want to do the Cascade deals when there's $1 off 1 coupon. So I would definitely pass, but if you do need to get some Cascade and you like Cascade, $4.99 is a great sale price because the total home brand is $5.99. But I'm going to give you guys a little secret. So I've been using the Dollar Tree laundry pods, and I asked my husband about it. I was like, can you tell the difference between the Dollar Tree and the 7th generation and the Cascade? And he said no. So that means there's no difference between more expensive varieties and brands versus the Dollar Tree. So if he can't tell a difference, then I'm gonna keep buying mine from the Dollar Tree. I didn't tell him which ones were which. I basically just had him figure it out himself and asked him over the course of a month, and he can't tell a difference. So if you have a Dollar Tree, then go with those pods. Okay, so I normally really love the deals with the gift cards, but this week there's a Kohl's gift card. You spend $50, you get $5 back in the extra care box. That is not a great deal because a lot of times it's spend 50, get 10. So this would not be a good time to get a gift card. You always want to wait until it's spend 50, get 10. Okay, you guys, so the Progressive soups, these guys are on sale this week for $1.49. First of all, it beats the Target price of, I think it's like $2.19 at Target. Regular price here is $3.19. So we're getting it for $1.49. So great deal. The grocery deals are pretty low this week, but hey, if I can get a can of soup that is cheaper than Target and CVS is right across the street from my house, then I'm gonna do it. Alrighty guys, so these are all the deals I have to share with you this week here at CVS. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, and then comment below what you guys are looking to do for your deals. And I'm seeing that they are already starting to get their Christmas like gifts out. Like, do you guys remember seeing all of the like shelves up high with all of the Christmas items? Like, I cannot wait for the Physicians Formula gift sets and the Wet n Wild gift sets. I cannot wait for that. So hope you guys have a fantastic week, fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.